Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share this video with you. It's packed with valuable info on collagen-rich foods that'll help you glow from the inside out. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, so grab a fork, hit that like button if you're ready to eat your way to firmer skin and stronger bones, and let's dig in because beauty starts on the plate. 5 cheap collagen foods that fix weak joints. If you're getting older and your knees feel stiff, your hips feel tight, or your legs don't support you like they used to, you're not alone. For many people, joint discomfort appears quietly first when getting out of bed, then while climbing a few steps, and eventually even during simple tasks like cooking or walking to the mailbox. Your joints can still get stronger at any stage of life when you give your body the right type of collagen support without expensive supplements. In today's video, we're looking at 5 affordable collagen-rich foods that help rebuild weak joints, ease stiffness, and strengthen your legs so you can stay active and capable. These aren't fancy products. They're simple, everyday foods you can find anywhere, yet they work. Many people start feeling relief in as little as 1 to 2 weeks. And the number one item on this list has been shown to support joint comfort and naturally boost collagen without powders or pricey pills. So if you want your knees to bend more comfortably, your steps to feel lighter, and your mornings to begin with confidence instead of tightness, 1 oatmeal plus strawberries plus chia seeds. Our first inexpensive collagen-friendly breakfast is a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with strawberries and chia seeds. It's simple, filling, and surprisingly powerful for adults who wake up with stiff knees, tight hips, or heavy legs. Oatmeal is one of the most budget-friendly foods that supports joint comfort because it keeps your blood sugar steady. When blood sugar rises and falls sharply, a common effect of processed breakfasts, inflammation increases, slowly wearing down the collagen that protects your joints. But oatmeal digests slowly, keeping your body steady, so your knees and ankles feel better supported. Strawberries may look like just a sweet fruit, but they deliver vitamin C, the essential nutrient your body needs to rebuild collagen every day. Many adults don't get enough vitamin C, which contributes to joints feeling rough, tight, or dry. Adding a handful of strawberries gives your body exactly what it needs to make new collagen for your cartilage, ligaments, and the tissues that help you move comfortably. And chia seeds, tiny, cheap, and easy to add, provide omega-3 fats, magnesium, and plant protein. These nutrients support muscle function, reduce morning stiffness, and help keep your joints hydrated. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they form a soothing gel that helps your body retain moisture, something many people struggle with as they age. Hydrated joints move more smoothly and feel less tense. 2 hard-boiled eggs plus avocado plus whole grain toast. Our second affordable collagen-supporting breakfast is 2 hard-boiled eggs, half an avocado, and 1 slice of whole grain toast. It's a small meal with big benefits for aging joints. Eggs are one of the most affordable and richest sources of collagen-building amino acids. As we get older, the body naturally produces less collagen, which is why knees may feel unstable, hips feel tight, and leg muscles weaken more easily. But the amino acids in eggs, especially proline, glycine, and lysine, help rebuild the tissues that keep your joints strong. Avocado may seem simple, but half an avocado provides healthy fats that help your body absorb vitamins D and K. Many adults fall short on these vitamins, yet they are essential for strong bones and healthy cartilage. Avocado also supplies potassium and magnesium minerals that help prevent leg cramps, muscle tightness, and that sudden pulling sensation many people experience at night. Combined with eggs, it creates a nutrient balance that supports joint comfort and steady leg strength. Whole grain toast adds slow, steady energy and provides manganese, a mineral your body uses to activate enzymes needed for collagen formation. Unlike sugary breakfast foods that trigger inflammation and midday fatigue, this simple combination helps you feel energized and more stable throughout the day. 3 bone broth plus pumpkin seeds plus spinach. Our third budget-friendly collagen-boosting breakfast is warm bone broth with pumpkin seeds and a handful of spinach. This combination is especially helpful for people who wake up with aching knees, tight hips, or heavy legs. Bone broth is often called liquid collagen because simmering bones for hours releases collagen, gelatin, and amino acids your joints can use immediately. As collagen production slows with age, these nutrients help cushion your knees and support smooth movement in your hips and ankles. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most affordable sources of magnesium and zinc, two minerals many adults lack. Magnesium helps muscles relax, reducing tightness and cramps. Zinc supports the enzymes your body uses to build and maintain collagen. When these nutrients are low, joints often feel stiff and muscles tire quickly. Adding just 1 spoon of pumpkin seeds can make a real difference in comfort and mobility. Spinach adds even more joint support. It's rich in vitamins C and K, antioxidants, and natural nitrates that improve blood flow. Reduced circulation is a common reason people experience heavy legs, cold feet, or slow healing as they get older. Spinach helps deliver nutrients and oxygen to your lower body, allowing joints and muscles to function better. The vitamin C also protects your collagen from daily wear and tear. This breakfast is soothing, hydrating, and perfect for people wanting joint relief without expensive supplements. It strengthens the tissues that aging tends to weaken and helps your legs feel supported and capable. 4 banana smoothie plus Greek yogurt plus flax seeds. Our fourth affordable collagen-supporting breakfast is ideal for those who prefer something quick, a banana smoothie made with Greek yogurt and flax seeds. Although simple, this combination delivers impressive support for joints, tired legs, and anyone dealing with daily stiffness. Bananas are inexpensive and naturally rich in potassium, a mineral your muscles and joints need to function comfortably. When potassium levels drop, your legs may cramp, feel weak, or tighten up even after small amounts of activity. A banana helps balance electrolytes, reduce fluid retention, and support smoother muscle movement in your knees and hips. Greek yogurt is the true powerhouse here. It's packed with high-quality protein, especially casein, a slow-digesting protein that supports muscle maintenance throughout the morning. Muscle mass naturally decreases with age, making protein essential for staying steady. Greek yogurt also provides calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that strengthen bones and support collagen production for your tendons and ligaments. Flax seeds complete the trio with omega-3 fats, fiber, and plant compounds that help calm inflammation around joints. Many adults live with low-grade inflammation without noticing it, the kind that causes nagging knee pain, sore hips, or discomfort when standing up. Omega-3s gently soothe that irritation so collagen can repair tissues more effectively. And because flax seeds are affordable and easy to blend, they're perfect for a morning routine. 5. Collagen powder plus amla plus warm lemon honey water. Your body needs vitamin C to activate collagen-building cells and protect existing collagen from breaking down too fast. Warm lemon water also plays a key role. The gentle acidity helps your stomach absorb collagen easily, while the warmth relaxes tight tissues and boosts circulation. A small amount of raw honey adds soothing anti-inflammatory benefits and light sweetness without the blood sugar spike of processed breakfasts. This drink is gentle, affordable, and ideal for those who prefer a light start to the morning or struggle with big breakfasts. It nourishes your joints before your day begins and provides the tools your body needs to stay flexible, supported, and steady with each step. These 5 collagen-friendly foods aren't fancy or expensive. They're everyday items you can find anywhere. And they work because they nourish the exact tissues aging tries to weaken: your knees, hips, cartilage, and the muscles that help you stay steady. Making one small, consistent change each morning can help you regain confidence in your steps, climb stairs again, and enjoy life with less pain. If you found this helpful, simpler health tips designed to help you stay strong and confident at any age. Here's to stronger joints, steadier steps, and living life on your own terms, no matter how old you are. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.